Hello, in this quick tutorial I will share some tips how to import opening balances and list of inventory items on Xero. So to avoid any errors or mistakes, here are my tips. Let's first have a look at the template for importing items. So to import, first of all, you need a template. So you go under Import into Items and you download a template in CSV format, which is similar to Excel. Now you need to then complete this information. And if you already have item codes, you need to follow the same pattern of item codes. What I mean by this, you should also have 001, 002, 003. So I'm using exactly the same pattern, just as an example. Then another tip, you have to make sure that your tax is written exactly the same way for both purchases and sales. So the way to do it without manual typing is to go into your settings, go all the way to your tax rates, and then you just look into VAT and expenses, copy and paste, and the same on income, copy and paste. And this way, at least if you've got the item code right and you've got your VAT expenses correctly entered, same way, you should not have any errors. And last but not least, enter the sales account. So for Xero is 200. Now we enter 200. If you want the item to be trackable, make sure that you enter here the account. You need to complete both of these for trackable items so that you know how much you have on hand, and then you will not be able to sell more than you have in stock on a system. But this is my tip. So item code, make sure that all the same. Do not change the top heading because it has to match. Enter the sales account, and for trackable, just copy and paste information into KL columns. Now let's go back to our opening balances. So for opening balances, we have got also a template. And here you have opening balances date, but download the existing opening balance template once you have all items entered. And here the tip is to make sure that your item code is exactly the same as per your register. Then you have your inventory asset account, quantity on hand, total value on hand, and this one remains the same as adjustable. And do not amend the name of the asset because it will not accept it. If you follow these few rules, you shouldn't have any problems with uploading the files back again into Xero. Any questions? Happy to help. Just comment below this video.